Good morning, guys. This is me again from Hickory Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today I'm here in Parker, Colorado. A beautiful big project that we are going to start today. Today is Monday, October 13. So it's around 1,200 square feet that we are going to be full sanding. It's a hickory hardwood floor. In this case, I came here, I believe that it was 4 or 5 months ago, and I did the estimation for the customer, but they are in the process to sell the house. So finally, they called me back 1 week ago. Jason, we are gonna do the project. We want to do the full sanding what you offer us, and here we are. So I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing. Look at this beautiful view from here, from this house. Big houses. Actually, here is what we got. But anyway, guys, let me show you the whole space that we are going to be doing. Actually, the first that I'm going to show you are the stairs. Look at this. In total are 29 stairs, what we got between this one and also this one as well. So, but yeah, look at this. This is the floor, all this. As you can see over there, is a little crowny, this area, but it's too old. It's too old, to be honest. They just did one sanding long time ago, and now we are gonna restore all this area. So look at this. Like I said, it's 1,200 square feet. And let me show you also something that they want to preserve here. It's a compass. It's like a compass, a star, but you know, it's a very nice design, so we are gonna keep it in this way as well. Of course, it's gonna look so much better after we do the full sanding everywhere. But yeah, guys, right now we are preparing everything to start sanding the whole area, so stay tuned. Good morning, guys. I'm here again to show you the progress. This is the second day of the work in this beautiful house. Those are the stairs that we already did the first cut. We still have a lot of work to do on it. And here is the second floor. We just did the first cut, as you can see. But it's gonna take a while because, as you can see, we have to do all the edges by hands, and just because of the spindles, it's gonna take longer for sure. But yeah, this is the progress here, and let's show you downstairs that we also did the first cut with the big machine, the drum sander and the edger, and before we left yesterday, we applied wood filler in the whole house, or not in the whole house, but here, mostly in the main room. the whole way here. We still have to do it in this room, but it's already sanded, as you can see. So guys, yeah, this is the progress so far. Stay tuned. All right guys, we're back here to show you. Look at the progress on the big house here. Over there, we already applied the sealer right there. As you can see, the stairs are done as well. I cannot walk right now. Those stairs also with the sealer. And now, right here, the first coat. So just to let it there for tomorrow, come back here and apply the 2 coat of finish. All right guys, stay tuned to see the final result. Okay guys, I'm back here to show you the progress in the house. Today is gonna be the last day in the house. In total it was 5 days, but as you can see, it's gonna look amazing right now. We just sprayed the floor after we apply the sealer and the first coat of finish. Now we are gonna start vacuum the second floor. Here the stairs. We are gonna vacuum everything because we already, like I said, we apply the sealer and the first coat. And here downstairs as well. So look at this. Look at this. Everything is gonna look amazing after, of course, we vacuum everything and apply the last coat. There is more around here, that area as well, around here, and the room. All right guys, stay tuned and see the final result on this beautiful floor. Hello guys, I'm back here to show you the final result in this beautiful floor. Look at this. Everything, the hallway is done. This room is done. As you can see, maybe from here you can have a better view. So, oh my goodness, such a good job that we did here. It's a really in good condition right now, the floor. When you apply very good finish, the difference is huge. Instead to use just one component, we always use 2 component products, guys. So that is very important when you choose a company. That please do your research and choose the best company that is gonna offer not the best price, the best quality for your home. So what I mean with that, we always use 2 component products. So which is the best in the market, water-based. Just in some cases, we use oil-based, but most of the time, water-based 2 component product. But look at this floor. Those stairs are done as well. But here, this is the living room. Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful result. As you can see, the customer already saw it and they are so happy about it. Alright guys, if you want this kind of service or any other that we offer, like a screen and recoat, full sanding, installation, wax removal, or just clean and buff, don't hesitate in contact us 720-327-1127 and subscribe to the channel and you will continue watching our videos. Stay tuned guys and see you next time.